Hello and welcome back to Mentoring Diogo. This is session number 13, and today we'll be continuing our RPG Kata exercise. So, since the last time we were here, we are just missing the point number 4 on iteration 1, which is a character can heal a character. And let's get a go, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So dead characters cannot be healed. Let's start with that one.
Okay.
So I guess we're doing a new describe, or
yeah, let's do a new describe. Maybe healing.
hey, healing.
Yeah, sounds
just
right.
healing.
I don't know. Let's see what comes out.
A character.
If it's dead, right?
Yeah, I was just thinking about the healing on the describe because it doesn't really make sense, right? Healing. A character cannot be healed if it's dead.
Yeah. We can try to come up with a better phrasing, but it sounds all right. Healing.
Okay,
you miss the bigger the arrow function is not. You put a dot in there. Okay.
Okay. So now, I guess this is a defender, right? That the heals, or does it really matter if it's an attacker or a defender that?
Yeah, you can even copy you can copy that. Yeah, copy all that, even the attacks, because we want to kill the character. So we need that.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So now if
we expect
the attacker cannot heal or create a new character called a healer if you want.
What?
No. No, that's not that. No, that's not that. Let's create a healer.
To create a new class.
Let's
right?
create a healer. But before we do that, let's create a const healer. Or only healers. No, anyone can heal. So it can be a ranged or a melee. It doesn't matter. We don't need a new one. But let's create a healer in there. I think it can be any one of them, whatever you want. Okay. So we expect
the healer.
Well, no, we need to make healer dot. No, you need to make healer dot heal before the expect. No, before the expect.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, we need to heal. We need to take an action. Oh, sorry. Heal.
Yeah. It just did it. By
doesn't
itself.
exist. It just doesn't exist. That's why it's the compiler. Yeah. Let's separate that. Remember that we spoke about a range act assert. So before it's all a range, then it's the act, and you expect the defender to be dead. I don't know. Defender is alive, or is alive. You have the is alive, right? Alive or something. Yeah. To be true. To be false, right? So he's dead.
Okay. So this shouldn't work, right? Wait.
No, I think this should.
Which name did I put?
Let's see if it's this one.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so healer does not exist. Okay, so let's create a function heal. Yeah, takes a
healer
character. Let's put character. No, character, right? Of type character. No, it's character of type character. Yes, and it
and we
returns
return
nothing.
a void.
It returns nothing. Yeah, you can do void if you want. Yeah,
Yep.
that's fine.
Okay.
Okay, so what happens? We need to make this test pass. I think why this does, okay, so let's see if the test already passes with this. Maybe put an underscore in the character there, underscore, because it's not being used. Yeah. So let's say,
Oh, right, I need to see, run it again.
this probably works
Yeah.
already. Yeah, it
It
works.
works.
Cool. We just needed to create a heal function. Yes. Okay, let's continue. How
Oh,
much
many
does
screens?
heal
So
do?
heal cannot raise health above
Okay.
max health.
You can copy that, cannot rise. No, you don't need all that because you don't need the character
Yeah.
to be there, but you need to give some
But
damage.
I'll just write
No, the
this.
test needs to be inside the describe.
Yeah, this one.
It's on the language. Go to the readme. It's written there.
Healing cannot be
Cannot
raised.
rise. You don't need the healing because healing is.
I know, but I'll take it now.
Yeah, this reads better.
Okay.
So you could do a bit of damage, but not kill him.
Something like this.
Yeah, something like that. And then you need the
Then
heal.
healer dot heal defender.
So how much do you want to heal?
Let's say 50 or 75, something like that, maybe.
Okay. So you need to make calculations. How much does the range attack do?
Was it 110?
I don't know.
So
Look at the
yeah,
test.
it was 110. 110
Okay.
range.
Okay. Cool.
So he's
So
been
maybe do
dealt.
just one because you don't need to
Okay.
do all those. Yeah. And now you
So, and then we
extract.
Is it the defender? Yes. Dot health.
Yes.
To be. This is a range, so it's
110 minus 80.
why 80?
Because you said that the healing does 80 healing, right?
Oh, okay, sure. So it's what, 30? So
Go to the test above, the one where you do the damage. More. Yeah, so it goes to 590, right? When you do one attack.
yeah, but range has 700 health, right? 700, yeah.
So it should be 510, right?
And
70.
and 70.
And 80. No, 70.
No,
Yeah.
70. Okay. Now is it feigning? Yep.
Okay, so now you need to implement the heal method for these to pass. Right?
Yes. So now to do this. Well, shall we say healer or
No, the healer is the
no
one
character?
Healed if you want, but character.
Healed. Okay. And then we do healed. Dot current health. Plus equals, I guess.
Yeah.
80.
Yeah, sounds good.
Then
Now probably
that's it.
the other test is going to fail. Let's see. So one passes,
Okay.
the other fails.
And how do we solve this?
Why? Yeah, so we need to fix. So we cannot heal characters whose current health is. So you need to put an if statement saying that if the health is, if it's dead, if you don't heal, right?
If healed
is alive, do this. Else do nothing. And you can put all that inside the braces. Yeah, that should work, right? Let's see if the test
else
works.
return what?
No,
oh,
you
we
don't
need
return,
a
it's a void.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. So now you need to see why this is attacker, attack the defender. Why did it go to 7 to 6, 7? Comment out the healing, the line 1/4. Oh,
wait, it's actually not wrong, right?
yeah, I thought so, but
No, I think this is right.
why?
This is right. Because if you're dealt 110 and you heal 80, you just have 670.
But how much health does it start with?
700.
Oh, 700. Oh, okay.
Yeah. We went as if 2 attacks had happened, but no.
Okay, so let's commit.
It's
healing.
Healing, yeah. I was just thinking the same.
Give me a second.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
We are back again. Sorry for that little cut. So now we start with the iteration 2, right? Okay.
No, we haven't done this. Healing cannot raise health above max health. We have not done that.
Sure. Yeah. Okay.
Oh no, it's there. It's there already. But we are not testing that.
Oh, okay.
So let's test. So what we need to do is we don't have an attacker. The character is just created. So you could delete the attacker and not do any attacks. Wait, let's rename this test because this test is useful. Raises health by 80. Okay, let's do the other test now. No, inside the describe.
I always forget this.
Inside, yeah, that's correct.
What was it like? This one. Easier. Okay. So we don't really need an attacker here.
You can copy the previous one. Yes.
Okay.
Not the braces. You copied the braces as well. It's going to make a mess. Yeah.
That's
cool.
It.
So now you don't need an attacker because we are not going to attack anyone. Right? Take the attack and just do the healing. And the health should be 700. It should not rise above 700, right?
Yes.
Is this correct or not?
Yes, it is correct.
Okay. Cool. So now you need to implement that.
Expects to be. So now I guess we have to do something like this.
Something like you need to go to the heal and do that, right? You cannot heal.
I'm just trying to see where. Yeah.
So you cannot heal if you can only heal if it's alive, and I'm going to help you. Just let's say it in
I'm
English.
thinking of something like this.
Yeah, but don't worry about that before. Let's write it on heal first. And then if we find it's useful, we'll... Now, wait, let's say it in English. we can only heal if he is alive. Just try to say something in English, what you want to say.
I am, but I mean,
Okay, well, in
yeah,
what
it's here,
conditions
it's here.
can a character be healed? Forget about the code.
If health is less than 700,
Okay, so
should
that's
be
it.
able to.
So it can be healed if it's alive and
If current health is
okay, so let's put that. No, not in there. Where do you check the condition? In the if statement. You execute.
So I need to do an if.
No, you already have an if. We already said the sentence. Listen to the sentence you just said.
Oh,
A character can be healed if he's alive and his max health is not above the max health. So just write that. It needs to be less than max health. I think we have a max. No, if it's equal, you cannot. It needs to be less.
do we have max health? Max health. I don't think it's this.
Oh, you don't have that. You know why? Because
Why?
because the health, oh, it's there, but we don't save it. So let's save the max health. Let's create a variable. Let's create a field called max health. Now on top, go to the top. Yeah, and in there, just keep a max health. Because we don't save this, because we didn't need it, equals 0. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you save this on the constructor, right? You need to save this. Go up, go up, go up. You need to save the max health on the constructor. Because we are saying that current health is equals max health, but then current health is going to change and max health never changes. So let's do this max health equals max health. We need to save both. Now, this one needs to stay. This you need to put both. No, inside the constructor.
What?
Save both.
Again?
Yes. Max health. I'll explain why.
Yeah, this is so confusing for me.
It's weird. So you have two things you need to save. You need to save what is the max health and when the character starts.
But why are we calling it again max health? Can we call it something else? Because it's confusing me to have both max health, because I don't really get it.
Yeah, whatever. What do you think is the best name?
I don't know. I don't know. Combat point, something like that.
I don't know. For me, it's confusing. But if it's not for you, then it's fine.
I mean, it's just having both max health.
I
don't know which one I'm talking about.
Okay, so take the line 3 because it's giving you no meaning. Line 3, blank line. Yes. Okay. So, but in this case, actually, I think you are right. We cannot do this because if the character is like 600 and something and you heal, then it goes above 700. So you were right. You need to check defender. You need to do something like check defender died. Right? But you can do that inside there if you want, but.
So another if, I guess, or.
No. You need to do another function if you want to do that. Private.
So I guess protected.
No, because you're not calling this from the children.
Okay.
Check max health. Character.
I guess defender again.
No, character. It returns nothing. Yes. Current health Combat points. No, it's not combat points, it's current health. Bigger or equal to current combat points. Well, you just need bigger, you don't need the equal, it's just bigger.
Why is it with this guy? Is
this a strange character or what? Yeah, now it's okay.
No, it's working.
Then you need to set yes.
I guess it's current health again,
Yes.
or combat
Yeah. You need to reset it to the combat points because it cannot be bigger, right?
Something like this, right?
Yes. So now you need to check this. You need to do that after the healing. After the healing, you need to do the healing and then do that. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's see if this works. Now it works. Okay.
Can we go around this again? Because that was really confusing for me.
Okay. So you need to keep track of two things. You need to know the character's max health, which you call points, combat points, right?
Combat points.
You need to keep track of that, right? Because we didn't have that.
Yeah, we didn't have that.
Okay, the current health is always changing. So you
but
need
the combat points are not.
Yeah, exactly. So the combat points store the max health. Yes.
So the combat points are the 700 and the 1000. Right?
And the other one is changing depending if he's taking damage or not, right?
But the combat points are not. It's always
the
same.
Combat points are never changed. It's like a const, right?
Yeah. Okay.
It's never changing. Yeah, makes sense.
That was the bit that was confusing for me because I thought both were changing at the same time. No. I don't know why, but I see. Okay.
Yeah. So that's why, because at some point you wanted to see the max health, but we were not saving that in the constructor. So in the constructor, we need to save max health twice. One to initialize combat points, which is never going to change, and the other to initialize the current health, which is changing if he gets the damage, right?
Yeah. Now that I understand, max health makes more sense.
Okay. Rename, please. Don't do that.
Oh, yeah.
You need to get used to that. I know. Rename symbol. Yes. Now you understand why I named it max health. Okay. Now it makes sense to you.
Because it didn't make sense to me, but now it does. So yeah.
Okay, so let's do a commit, and I think we can stop for this session. We'll continue just afterwards. Healing cannot heal, cannot raise health above max health, cannot heal, above max health. We forgot healing cannot raise health, but it's okay.
It's okay.
There's an amend you can. I'm not going to teach you that now. Okay, so let's stop here for this session. I think we've done number 4. I don't know how much time has passed, but I think we can stop here, and then we'll do session 14, right?
Session number 14, yes.
Okay. See you later.
Okay. See you later, guys. Bye.